Hey there, this is Alex from Moonside AI, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a chatbot, a very simple and basic chatbot, as you can see from my workflow, that should be able to answer most of your customers' questions. Let me actually show you. And yeah, if you say hi, the chatbot will give you the welcome message, and then you can simply go ahead and ask it a question like, who are you? Or where are you located? And as you can see, the chatbot will do what it can to answer my question, even if, let's say, I answer it a question that is not present in the knowledge base. What are your prices? Unfortunately, I don't know the answer to this question. So yeah, let's create another one from scratch, and let me show you how to actually do this. So yep, I just created another one, and let's wait for it to load. And yeah, let's start from scratch this time. And here we are. I'm going to delete this all this stuff, actually, everything. Yep, we don't need them. I'm gonna disable the knowledge base inside the start node. I don't understand why it keeps happening, but yeah, I'm gonna disable that. And let's create our first node. And this one is going to house our welcoming message. And let's add a text card. Very simple. Here you can type whatever you want. I'm just gonna say hi, my name is Jason. Obviously you can name your bot however you want. How can I help you? Let's see, how can I assist you? And then we go further and create another node, and this one is going to handle the question that the user will input. Question answer. I kinda spell that weird. And in here I'm going to add a raw input card. And I'm gonna keep the answer questions from knowledge base enabled. So the user will come over here and they will answer, they will ask a question, and if the bot if the bot is successful in finding an answer for that question inside the knowledge base, it will give it an answer, and then we want the node to loop back in itself so that the conversation continues smoothly. Now, in the past I did the mistake of after the chatbot would give an answer to the question, then they will ask the user, would you like to ask another question? Which is complicated because it's not flowing naturally. Most users sometimes don't even notice that the chatbot had asked them to make a choice. So they just simply ask ahead without even noticing that they have to select yes, I want to ask another question, or no. So yeah, that's what I would recommend you do to keep the conversation flow as smooth as possible. And then if the chatbot doesn't have an answer for the user, what do we do then? And for that I'm going to create another node, and this is going to be the response generated by AI. We are going to add some sort of AI fail-safe kind of. So yeah, in here I'm going to add an AI task. Oh yeah, and I forgot. We must store the question that was asked inside a variable so that we can reference it inside the AI task. Question. Let's create a variable here. Very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna paste in this prompt. Obviously you can copy it from the video right now, or you can download the bot template, which you will be able to find down in the description. And we are going to also create another variable called next message. So let me actually read you the prompt. So you are a friendly customer support chatbot named Jason. Your task is to analyze the text inside the workflow.question variable, which is we just created over here. If the text is a business related question, then you must respond with, "Unfortunately, I don't know the answer to this question." Otherwise, just create a polite response and end the sentence with an emoji. And then store the response inside the variable workflow.next message, which we are going to create right now. So yeah, let's create this variable, and then we want to reference this variable here. We want to display the variable in a text message, and we have some errors here because I forgot to input the variables. So in the AI task input, we are going to add the question variable, and in store result in a variable I'm going to add the next message variable. Did I add it? Yeah, good, great, amazing. Now, how do we detect if the answer for the question was not found in the knowledge base? Well, BotPress have made that easy for us. If we go to the resources, to the small question mark here in the corner, and go to quick reference, we are going to find this one. We're going to click this, it's going to copy it, and now we are going to add an expression card right over here. Let's disable the AI thingy, and we are going to paste the thing that we just copied, and this is basically saying if the chatbot was able to find an answer inside the knowledge base, so please continue this way. But this is not what we want to do. We want to continue to this node if the chatbot didn't find an answer in the knowledge base. So to do that, we simply add an exclamation mark in front of the thing, and that should do it. And we can just type here answer was not found in knowledge base. And after the AI has responded, we are going to simply loop back inside the question answering engine, I guess you could call it. And this is it. Now all you have to do is add sufficient information inside the knowledge base, and obviously BotPress gives you all the information you need about all these options you have available to you. What I usually do is add the website. For example, if you have FAQs on your website displayed, there is no point in writing them again. So you simply go here, you type your website address, then wait for BotPress to index your pages, and simply select the pages that has the information that you want in your knowledge base. And then to complement, because sometimes you don't have all the information inside inside of your website, I would simply recommend you add a rich text and then type here manually whatever information you deem as useful, or whatever information your customers ask you all the time. Anyway, after you've created everything here, obviously you need to publish your bot. So yeah, after your bot is published, you can share it with your friends and test it out and maybe get some feedback. yeah, getting feedback from someone else is really valuable. And of course you need to integrate it inside your website. And to do that, you go here in the integrations tab. You can give it a name. For example, I named my bot Jason. You can give it an avatar image. You can type in a description. You can even style it. You can add all sorts of informations. Yeah. And then after you do that, you must save it, save the configuration, and then go here in the pre-configured go here in the pre-configured tab and copy all this stuff and paste it inside your website's code. Now, unfortunately, all websites differ very much, like if you're using Shopify or if you're using Wix or whatever other platform. So I'm not gonna be able to cover that in this video. So you must look online and see how you can edit your website's code and add these two script tags inside of your website's body tags. I'm sure you can find more information. You can even read this the information in this link over here. This is provided by BotPress, and you can go in depth here and read all the stuff and yeah, arm yourself with more knowledge. So yeah, this is very simple. I want to make a simple tutorial. This is not for AI aficionados out there. I'm sorry guys if you wanted something more complex. This is for the more inexperienced people, which I'm sure there are a lot of them that need help and don't want to pay for someone like me to come and make them a perfect chatbot, you know. So yeah, this is a tutorial. I hope you guys found it useful. If you do, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you wanna stay updated, I guess, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.